what to expect at your upcoming estimate.
Hi, I'm Dan at Sierra Air Conditioning and Plumbing. Thank you for choosing us for your heating and cooling needs. Whether you're thinking of replacing your current system or installing a brand new one, we're here to help you find the perfect solution for your home. We understand that purchasing an HVAC system is a big decision and you might have lots of questions. Our team is dedicated to providing you with the information and guidance you need to make the best choice for your comfort and budget. Here's what you can expect when working with us to purchase a new HVAC system. We'll discuss your needs, preferences, and goals. We'll help you choose the best system based on your needs and budget. Our expert team will take care of the entire installation process. You'll receive top-notch support and maintenance options. When you first reach out, we'll schedule a free consultation. One of our experienced HVAC specialists will visit your home or business to assess your needs. During the consultation, we'll ask questions such as, are you looking to replace an old unit or install a completely new system? What are your comfort preferences? Do you need specific features like smart thermostats or air purifiers? What is your budget for this project? We'll provide good, better, and best solutions based on your answers and offer a few options that fit your needs. It will take 60 to 90 minutes. We'll use booties to protect your floors and drop cloths to keep the work area clean during the evaluation. Once you determine your needs, we'll guide you in selecting the right heating and cooling system. We'll explain the different types of systems available, like central air, ductless, or heat pump systems, and help you choose one that is both energy, efficient, and fits your budget. We'll go over all pricing options and financing plans to ensure you're comfortable with the investment. If you feel that you didn't receive the 5-star experience that we strive for, please don't hesitate to speak with your technician or call us. We're always here to ensure your complete satisfaction. Thank you for considering Sierra Air Conditioning and Plumbing for your HVAC needs. We are committed to providing you with the highest level of service and the best solution for your home comfort. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more HVAC tips and updates. Don't forget to